So guys, it's Monday. So now I'm putting my dress. So this could be my dress. Look at this. Let's take a picture outside. Okay, let's go. Let's put it out. So that's what I'm looking for. So maybe we could call it. Put my pajama. I'm gonna get my pajama. This could be perfect. Let's take it on, okay? So it's cool today, forgot. Okay? So this is could be perfect. So now it's ready for school. So let's get my backpack, okay? So my teacher said I'm not gonna get backpack, okay? So my mom told me, but he just checked me right in this phone. He said only this. So now let's go in the school. We're going out.